Welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply invest your Pepe Coin. So this video is not financial advice, seeing as the Pepe Coin or the Pepe token is subject to change. The volatility is really high. The coin is really trending, but this is not financial advice. Please take notes. And with that, we can continue with the rest of the video. So right now I'm on coinmarketcap.com. I'm looking at the Pepe Coin and I'm wondering where I could invest my Pepe Coin or invest my dollars to get Pepe Coin. So if you were to simply scroll down, as you can see here, the circulating supply has actually or finally been verified, I guess. This blue tick means it's verified. So you do note it's on the Ethereum blockchain, so you need Ethereum for gas fees and other transactions like that. So now, if you were to head over to the Pepe market where we can get our Pepe tokens, you would notice that Uniswap version 2, Binance, KuCoin, and Uniswap version 3, as well as OKX and PancakeSwap are listed as the markets you can get them from. But if we were to dive in deep and look at the CEX, that's the centralized exchange, Binance is number one. This is where you can get your Pepe coin without any stress, any hassle. You get it here and you simply invest it. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. Make sure you have the Binance app. Make sure you have an account there as well. Make sure it's verified. And make sure you do possess some sort of Pepe coin. As you can see here, I possess $1.47 worth of Pepe. So if you were to invest this, we'd simply head over to the spot trading section where I'm going to be either buying or selling my Pepe. But for now, this market is trending really well. The opportunity to buy or sell isn't really available. As I said before, this isn't financial advice, so I wouldn't advise you do any of this. But if you must, make sure you are ready to lose your capital. Make sure it's a decision you've taken yourself as well. So let's say you do want to use a decentralized exchange for some reason. You could virtually click on a decentralized exchange. Take a look at the exchanges you have options with. Like I said, we have Uniswap, we have PancakeSwap, we have OpenSea. I guess that's all. Okay, those are the really good ones. The liquidity is really high here, $13 million. And the purpose of this video, I'd be making use of PancakeSwap for the decentralized exchange. Once you open Trust Wallets, make sure you possess some Ethereum. As I said before, gas fees and the rest. Open up PancakeSwap. Once your PancakeSwap is opened, make sure your wallet is connected. Make sure you're on the Ethereum network. We then simply possess some Pepe token. You must possess Pepe token. So you either get this Pepe token by simply swapping your Ethereum into Pepe. So once you've completed the swap, make sure the slippage tolerance is low or high depending on the volatility of the market at that period in time. So please, you do your own research. So $1.96 worth of Ethereum is going to be giving us 724,000 Pepe. So we simply click on swap, click on confirm swap. And once you're able to pay the gas fee, which is $82, as you can see, once you're able to pay that, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can invest your Pepe coin, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.